Hey guys, Christine here from NYCPretty, and today I wanted to share with you the Sculpt Beauty Tool from Luxio. It helps to lift, sculpt, tighten, tone, massage, all the things to your skin. And I like to keep mine in the fridge to cool it for a little while before I use it. And I like to use this 5 to 10 minutes a day to help really get my serums working, get my blood flowing, and get all of the muscles massaged. So I start with my beauty oil. Serum rather, and I pat it onto my skin, and then I help massage it into my skin with the roller in an upward motion. Start with my jawline, and this really helps to massage your muscles, tighten the skin, and really sculpt it too. So then you move upward, up your cheek, and up towards the ear. Upward motion, and it feels great too. It really helps to depuff if you keep it in the fridge to cool it before you use it. And it's great to help work your serums into your skin. And now I'm using it above my brow bone, my forehead, and this feels really good too. If you did cool your beauty tool, when you put it on your eyes, it really helps to de-stress, depuff, and help with any kind of pain you might have in your head, like a headache. And now over to the next side, you can go right under your eye, upper cheekbone towards your ear in an upward motion, middle of the cheek, and then down to the jawline. And I usually do like 3 rolls per section. And then don't forget your neck. This really helps to work the serum into your skin, and it's great for massaging. So like I said, I do this like 5 to 10 minutes a day, and it just really helps to tighten, tone, and sculpt. So there you go. Happy rolling.